Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to reset a Whirlpool Gold Series dishwasher, error reset and troubleshooting guide. Reset a Whirlpool Gold Series dishwasher by performing a hard reset. Press cancel/drain to stop any active cycle. Cut power at the main electrical breaker or unplug the unit for 3 minutes. Restore power and press start. This clears temporary memory faults. First, control board hard reset. Press the cancel/drain button to clear the active settings. Flip the dedicated circuit breaker to the off position or unplug the unit if it is plugged into the outlet under the sink. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes so the internal capacitors fully discharge. Then turn the breaker back on or plug the unit back and close and latch the door. Then select a standard cycle. Next, how to enter diagnostic mode. Select any three keys on the control panel. Note, avoid using the cancel or power on keys. Press these three keys in the exact same sequence, one after the other, repeating it three times in a row. Example, press key 1, key 2, key 3, then immediately repeat. Key 1, key 2, key 3, and a final time for key 1, key 2, key 3. The control panel lights will illuminate, the dishwasher will start an automatic diagnostic test cycle. Leave the door closed and let the test finish. This process takes about 15 to 25 minutes. Interpreting error codes F1E1, F1E2. Thermistor water heat indicates a temperature sensor failure or a slow heating issue. Check the heating element or thermostat. F2E1, F2E2. Key stuck/control. A button on the touch panel may be stuck or shorted. F6E1, water inlet. The dishwasher is not filling with water. Check the water supply valve and the inlet hose. F7E1, drain failure. The unit is not draining properly. Check the drain hose for kinks or clogs. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.